Hello, students. Today we will study these reactions of arene diazonium salts. In the last lecture, we had studied what is diazonium salt. So we know when aromatic primary amine like aniline is treated with nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 and HCl, then this NH2 group in benzene ring is substituted by N triple bond N and positive charge on one nitrogen, and along with this halide ion is present, that is called as a arene diazonium salt. So this aryl diazonium salt show two types of reactions. First types of reactions are reactions involving displacement of azo group. So that we will study first. This diazonium group is replaced by other group. This type of reactions we will study first. So diazonium group is N2 plus ion. It is very good living group due to positive charge on nitrogen atom bonded to aromatic ring. The arene diazonium salt undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions with variety of nucleophiles, and all these reactions are given in table number 13.5. So we will study these reactions now. First is this Sandmeyer's reaction. In the Sandmeyer's reaction, the substrate, that is the main reactant, is ArN2 plus X minus. When it is treated with CuCl and HCl, then this aromatic group get bonded with chlorine and we get aryl chloride plus nitrogen gas is given out as a side product. Then this aryl diazonium halide treated with cuprous bromide and HBr, it gives aryl bromide and nitrogen gas. Then one more example of this Sandmeyer's reaction is this aryl diazonium halide when treated with copper cyanide and potassium cyanide, then this ozonium group is replaced by cyanide group. We get this substitution of cyanide group in aromatic ring and nitrogen gas as a side product. So these are the three examples of Sandmeyer's reaction, and it gives the good yield in the product side. Then second is it is a Gattermann reaction. In this reaction, this aryl diazonium halide when heated with copper powder and HCl, then again we get aryl chloride and nitrogen gas. Similarly, this aryl diazonium halide is heated with this copper powder and hydrogen bromide, then the substitution of bromo group take place in aromatic ring, that is called as a aryl bromide. Then next is iodoarene formation. We had studied in the first two previous reactions that aryl chloride and aryl bromide can be prepared. But here it is especially given for iodide, that is iodoarene. This is diazonium chloride when treated with this potassium iodide, it gives aryl iodide and nitrogen gas. Then mild reduction, that is by using mild reducing agent. Here this is aryl diazonium chloride when treated with H3PO2 and H2O, then this diazonium group is replaced by hydrogen and we get product this aromatic compound, that is ARH plus nitrogen plus H3PO3 and HCl as a side product. Similarly, this aryl diazonium chloride treated with ethanol, again this aromatic group is substituted by hydrogen. We get aromatic compound, aromatic hydrocarbon. Along with this, side product is nitrogen gas, and acetaldehyde or ethanol and HCl is a side product. Similarly, phenol formation. This is aryl diazonium chloride. When it is treated with H2 at 283 Kelvin, then this aromatic ring is substituted by hydroxy group. We get phenol, that is AROH is general formula for phenol, and side product is nitrogen and HCl. So these are the reactions of diazonium salt that we had studied now. Now the next is second type of reactions of, before that we will study one more reaction, that is reaction with fluoroboric acid. So it is diazonium, arene diazonium salt on reaction with fluoroboric borate, which on heating decomposes, gives fluoroarene, that is fluorine group is substituted in aromatic ring. Or when this benzene diazonium salt is heated with aqueous sodium nitrite in the presence of copper, it gives nitroarene, and the reaction is ArN2 plus Cl minus in the presence of HbF4, that is fluoroboric acid. First it gives a complex formation, that is ArN2 plus BF4 minus, which on heating it gives this fluorine group substituted in aromatic ring, that is aryl fluoride plus nitrogen plus boron trifluoride as a side product. Similarly, this complex when heated with copper metal and aqueous sodium nitrite, then we get this ArNO2, that is nitro group is substituted in aromatic ring, nitro hydrocarbon derivative is obtained, aromatic hydrocarbon derivative is obtained, and nitrogen and BF3 as a side product. So these are the first types of reactions, that is reactions involving replacement of diazonium group. Now we will study second type of reactions of aryl diazonium salt, that is the reactions involving retention of diazonium group, that is also called as a coupling reaction. Here the arene diazonium salt when treated with certain reactive aromatic compounds like phenol or aromatic amine, it gives azo compounds. In these azo compounds, there is an extended conjugation system of double bond. Means double bond and single bond are in alternate position, and they are joining through azo group, and this reaction is called as a azo coupling, and that is the extended conjugation is observed in this type of reaction. Azo compounds are brightly colored, they are used as a dyes. This is example of electrophoric aromatic substitution reaction. Here the electrophiles are positively charged diazonium ions, and substitution usually occur at para position, that is a ring activating group. For example, here the benzene diazonium chloride react with phenol in mild alkaline medium to give parahydroxy azobenzene, and it is orange dye. So this is benzene diazonium chloride when treated with phenol in the presence of OH minus, that is alkali. Here the side product is HCl and one benzene ring bonded with nitrogen, double bond nitrogen, other benzene ring with OH group. This is a para hydroxy azobenzene. So that is one reaction of azocoupling. Then azocoupling with beta naphthol in NaOH is used as a confirmatory test for primary aromatic amine. So benzene diazonium chloride react with aniline. Here the benzene diazonium chloride react with aniline in mild alkaline medium to give para-aminobenzene, and which is used as a yellow dye. So reaction is, this is a benzene ring bonded with N triple bond N plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride when treated with aniline in the presence of mild base. It gives benzene ring bonded with nitrogen double bond nitrogen and benzene ring bonded with NH2. This is para-amino azobenzene. It is used as a yellow dye. Then the third type, this next reaction is reactions with arene sulfonyl chloride, and this test is called as a Hinsberg test. So benzene sulfonyl chloride having formula C6H5SO2Cl is known as Hinsberg's reagent. So first reaction under this is ethylamine is a primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-ethyl benzene sulfonyl amide, and the reaction is, this is benzene ring bonded with S double bond O, S double bond O, Cl. It is a benzene sulfonyl chloride when treated with C2H5NH2, that is a primary amine. It gives N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, that is benzene ring bonded with S double bond O, S double bond O, NH C2H5, side product is HCl, and it is soluble in alkali. The hydrogen attached to nitrogen in sulfonamide ethanamine, a primary amine, is strongly acidic. Hence, it is soluble in alkali. Then the next reaction under this is diethylamine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to give NN-diethyl benzene sulfonamide, and the reaction is, here this is benzene sulfonyl chloride when treated with NH C2H5, this is secondary amine. It gives the benzene ring bonded with S double bond O, S double bond O, N C2H5 plus side product is HCl. Here the NN diethyl benzene sulfonamide is a product formed in the reaction. Here NN diethyl benzene sulfonamide does not contain any hydrogen attached to nitrogen atom. Hence, it is not acidic and do not dissolve in alkali. The next reaction is, it is electrophilic aromatic substitution in aromatic amines. So these reactions we will study in the next lecture. Thank you.